Maybe you can see this.
Yeah, you can.
Alright guys, so this is our s'mores. We got them coming off a fire. You can see your marshmallow and your chocolate is done all the way through. Well, you got some taste testers over here. They don't eat them. Said it was the best s'more they ever had in their life. Look at that. Just like the chocolate and marshmallow becomes one. And this is an official s'mores
maker.
You know, cooker basket thing, my bobber.
Wow, that's one official name you have for it.
And you get it from Walmart. And so we're going to show you how to assemble a s'more. Alright. Get a little closer here, Brandon, with that. Oh, that's perfect. And so first we're going to put down the graham cracker. And we got a little Hershey's chocolate. You just need 2 little squares.
Off of this size chocolate.
Yeah, and this is the mini chocolates. Well, this is travel size. And so we're just going to do 2. If you do more than that, it's just going to run out on top of the fire. And here we're going to put a little blue peep. The peeps are a little bit softer, so I think they're going to squish better. Hope we get all this on video. If not, we'll have to make 3 more s'mores and eat them.
Alright, go.
So you might have to squish it with some gun. Make it set right. The regular marshmallows aren't as troublesome. And it's got a little latch here. And then we're going to set it on the fire, set it above some hot coals, and rotate it just every so often until all your chocolate and marshmallow starts to melt. And that's your perfect s'more. Alright, let's see one of them babies. Describe it. What does it taste like?
Heaven.
It just melts and runs all down the corner, all down your face.
There's just nothing ladylike about a s'more.
So we got these little peeps cooking. We're just going to flip them. And so we're just going to rotate them. Got them up off the coals so they don't get too hot. Low and slow, baby.